How does NASA organize their company parties?
They plan it.
You're welcome.
Look at this tiny little weird egg I got this morning. It's right little. There's it compared to a normal size egg. I don't know what happened here. Very strange. These are the random eggs that we get in the run of a day. A big one, I don't even know what, and then a normal sized one. We don't normally get that. That's the first time I've seen that though. But we often get a big one, like way bigger than that even.
Morning, girls. Good morning. They all want out, but I'm not letting them out just because I don't know if the cement truck's coming today to pour the foundation or not. Go in and check for eggs though. Hey babies. Girls, you're not allowed out today. No, no, no. Not today. Not today. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope, nope. 2 more eggs. No. He's got 2 more. So we're at 5. 5 out of 6 chickens. That's all right there, eh? So over here we're working on getting this year's winter's wood ready. So we have about, I don't know, 3 or 4 cord right here, maybe 3 cord stacked right here. A whole bunch more behind me I need to pile, and then we're planning on getting about 6 cord for the winter, cutting and getting some of that my neighbor had borrowed last year, so he just returned. He's cutting a little bit more for us this year, and we're also gonna cut trees in between buildings. So we're just gonna stack up about 6 cord and we'll be good for the entire winter. There's a lot of wood here. I've just been adding some to the tops of these rows because we're going up 4 feet, so some of them weren't quite 4 feet, but they should all be pretty level now. And then starting on this bottom row here, there's always a lot of wood to do when you're living off grid. Always moving wood, stacking wood, I don't know, stuff like that. So keeps me busy, keeps me fit, so I enjoy it. Well, that's about it for now. Sam and I are going out for a play date. We'll do some more in the afternoon. No. Okay.
Might just have to cut a little. Please fit, oh please fit. How's yours?
Got a pretty big gap. Get in.
Yep.
Oh. Hey, really?
Not me.
You moved it there.
Yeah, I know. You good?
Well, I'm going right into the corner.
Yeah, as far in as you can get. Can you get? You want to be right on the other piece then.
Huh?
You want them?
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
okay.
end of that one?
Okay, get on the tip.
Yeah. You get on the tip.
Yeah.
We know 3/8. Sorry.
more?
Very good.
Anyway, you want me to go another one or this one?
You can go another one, yeah. I think, yeah, you should be able to. We'll see. Got another one there?
Yeah.
You can have a bit of space.
About here.
Push it till you're ready. Is that good?
Come my way here if you can. Doesn't matter though really. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. You're good?
Yep. Alright. All right, so here is the cement pad.
Voila.
It's all done. It's pre-cut, so if there's any cracks or anything, that'll pretty much stop it from getting out of control. Pretty happy. It's going to be awesome.
Yeah, we're excited to start building it.
All right, so what it's going to be, we haven't set the plans yet. It's going to be 24 by 24. It's going to have 10-foot ceiling, 8-foot door, 8-foot wide. I'm just going to do like barn doors on it because it's way cheaper. And then we're going to do a staircase at the back, and then that'll go up to a second floor. And then on that we'll go like 6-foot walls, and then up to a cathedral to make it nice and high, like maybe 9 feet in the center, right?
Yeah.
And then off that, what are we going to have at the front?
We are going to have a deck off the front of the upstairs.
Yeah.
So we're going to move
coming
the
in
gym
here.
to the upstairs and maybe have like a couch and a TV up there and just a hangout room in the gym. Workout hangout room.
Yeah, probably freezers and stuff like that too.
Yeah.
Like to put meat in, things like that.
For sure. Pretty
So,
cool.
Yeah.
We're
And then
excited.
like off this deck you can actually watch the sunset behind us at the back. The
Yeah.
west is there and the sun goes down right there.
It'll be beautiful.
Yeah, so that'll be like an added little bonus to it. So we're utilizing as much of the garage space as we can, so we're just going up.
That's right.
So we just finished up in there for today, and well, we'll see you in the next one. We'll bang that other wall off, and that'll be it.
Yeah.
In there, and then we'll move out here, and we're gonna get another load for the siding of Hemlock, and we're gonna bang that off.
Yep. See ya. Have a good weekend.
See ya.